First of all, I got to say, go Cougs.
Go Cougs. So today we are at a new job site here in Skagit Valley, and this is the First Momo Home in Washington State that's being built. And I am here with Chad Schmitt with Cornerstone Design, Construction, and Consulting. Is that right?
Close enough. Close enough. It's Cornerstone Design, Consulting, and Construction Services.
Great. So tell us a little bit about what is going on here today, Chad.
Well, today we're having to do our geoengineering reports to get into Momo so we can actually have the foundation engineered and designed. So they're out there doing their test holes, playing with the dirt, you know, the boys and their toys. And after that, we'll be giving this off to Momo, and we'll get some structural engineering for how we're going to do this. Yeah, it's going to be quite an interesting learning curve. I think it's going to be very innovative and a game changer into some of the building we're doing. Very intrigued. I've done a lot of conventional builds, and this will be kind of the first one with a new thought process going through, which I'm kind of excited about learning about it, and being one of the first ones in Washington State to be putting one of these up and telling you guys a little more of how this all comes together, and we'll have to just play it by ear as we go along.
So let's talk a little bit about what Momo is.
Momo's a fairly new company to the United States. They were premiered at the 2024 IBS and did one of their promos of their seed model, 600 square foot one. They had showcased it, and it was a prototype. They are now opening up and starting to do disbursements.
Distribution?
Yeah.
Distribution.
Sorry,
yeah.
a little tongue tied there. Selling in the United States. There's one in Idaho going, there's one in Utah. We're the first ones up here in Washington State, and we're trying to get this out and get a little more information to everybody.
So one thing that I think is really cool about Momo as an opportunity for homeowners and builders out there is the ability to have the kit delivered to you pretty much ready to go, and you're able to assemble it in a fraction of the time that you're able to build regular stick construction buildings. So that's something that I'm excited about. Do you want to tell us just a little bit about what we know about that?
Well, it's going to be kind of interesting how this works. You know, we call it a house in a box, I guess you can say, but it's all you need, everything you need a component. They supply everything. You just come with labor and tools, and you put it together, and it's a really cool panelized system where it comes with all the finishes and everything, and you just put it together, and it's shipped to you. Build it close to half the time you normally do through a conventional build. It's still permitted the same way, stick built, going through all the permitting processes. Like that's what we're doing here to get ready for permitting. But what it does is it cuts the build time down and allows you to move into your project a little quicker, which is going to be innovative. It's going to help with time restraints, job site restraints, and a lot of cool finishes that are offered that it's hard for a lot of builders to source in the first place.
Right. Well, so we're excited to take you along on this journey with us, and we'll be doing updates as we can, but we definitely wanted to get the word out about this particular Momo home that we are building here in Skagit Valley.
Looking forward to giving you guys a little more information on what we're doing, and I'm excited about this, learning something new.
Yeah.
Sometimes you got to learn something new in the world.
Well, and if anybody's got questions along the way, if you happen to see this and you're interested in Momo or you want to learn more about it, then please do give us a call. You can reach me at 206-330-6985.
And then you can reach me at 360-920-6389, or you can email us at info@cornerstone-dccs.com.